Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Namaste. This is Kim. So I'm gonna explain those mountain over here, which is we can see. On the left, we can see the. It looks like a same mountain, but it has a different name. So the left one we call Tauche, and then the right one, the big one, that's we call Tabuche. So bottom in the below that mountain, you can see the Portse village. The people they do the trek, and then they goes to overnight. You stay over there as well. So we can go further up. We can see the Black Mountain. Behind the Black Mountain, we can see the long range, which is we call the Lhotse Wall. That range. But on the left corner behind the Black Mountain, that's we call Nupse. Clearly, the whole part we cannot see from here, but we see from the Gorakshep base camp, which is the best view from over there for the Nupse. And in the middle, in the back, what's the name of that mountain?
Everest.
Okay, that's the Everest. And then on the right, we can see the winds blowing the clouds. And behind that clouds, that's the name of the mountain we call Lhotse. So Lhotse Sa is even like together. And then bottom line we can see on the right, that's the peak 38, the white mountain. And then we can go for the right, that's the Amadaplam. Can you see the Amadaplam?
Yeah.
So what's the height all those mountains? I didn't tell the height. We can go to the left side now.
Okay.
The Amadaplam is 6,993. So peak 38 goes to almost 7,000. The Lhotse is 8,516 meter. The Everest, that one, do you know how high?
8,000. 8,000 something. 600. 8,800.
8,848 meter. And then the Nupse is 7,900 meter. And then Tauche, both is like 6,600 meter. So which is we can see from this place. So today we are going back to Namche. From here, get to Namche, it takes another hour. We have to walk. So thank you very much.